Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be testing out magnetic eyelashes, and this is going to be my first time testing them out, so I'll give you guys a little mini tutorial too. But yeah, if you want to see if magnetic eyelashes really work, definitely stay tuned. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And of course, if you want to see more videos from us on this channel, we do hair videos, makeup videos, fashion videos, and lifestyle videos. So definitely stay tuned after this video and go check out those other videos. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so I'm going to be testing out magnetic lashes for the first time, and the lashes that I got are from Blushberry Beauty. It comes in this cute little packaging, and this is what the lashes look like. And there's this like cute little quote on top here. It basically says, take off those sunglasses and show them lashes, or those lashes. So yeah, this is what they look like. I took like a style that's very like kind of more everyday wear because that's what I was going for, since I've never tried magnetic eyelashes before. It also came with this magnetic eyeliner, so I'll show you guys how to like put it. But let me show you guys like the packaging of this liner because it's so cute. So this is what it looks like. It's like this rose gold, and it basically says Blushberry. But yeah, we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna start first by cutting them lashes, and then I'll be right back to show you guys how to put them on. Okay, so I went ahead and cut the lashes, and it's basically kind of like interesting because there's little magnets on them, so you want to be careful when you cut them. But basically what you're gonna do, this liner is basically kind of what is going to help you like stick the lashes on, because basically this is what like attracts the magnets to your eyelashes, if it makes sense. So you basically put this on, you can put a little thin coat, and then if you don't, or you can use it as like a real liner and just do your whole liner, and then after that you just stick the lashes on and it's supposed to stay on. So let's go ahead and test it out and see if it actually works. So I'm going to go ahead and try and like do a liner. It's kind of gonna be complicated, but yeah, let's try this, okay? And what I'm gonna do, I'm going to stay as close as possible and just literally do a little thin line and keep it like on my lash. I'm not gonna do a full liner just because I'm testing it out. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put this liner, a thin line like I said. Okay, and this liner, I see like the brush is actually kind of thick. I expected it to be like thinner because I guess the liners that I've been using are thinner. So yeah, I'm gonna try doing it as close as possible to my lash line. So this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to take my lashes and take my tweezers. Just be careful because the tweezers are actually getting like attached to the magnets. But yeah, I'm gonna go and place it right on top of my lash. And I always use tweezers. I know I made the line like a little crooked, but it's okay because at least this is going to hide it. So let's do that. Oh my god, that is crazy. So guys, this is one lash on, and it's crazy because literally like you put the liner on and you let it dry a little bit, and as soon as I put the lash, like I could automatically feel it like being pulled. It's crazy. Like I never thought that this would work. The only thing I would say is that it's kind of hard to put on just because like I don't know, I feel like with the magnets and stuff, the magnets also are attracted by my tweezer. So it's kind of like hard to like place them as close as possible to the lash line and be precise. But yeah, let's go ahead and do the other eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and try. It's kind of hard to like do a precise liner just because like my lashes are so curly, but just try and stay as close as possible to your lash line. That's all I will say. So I'm letting that liner dry a little bit. And as you can see, like this one is thicker than this one, and I'll explain a little more later, but let me just put this one on. And yeah, and I'll try and be as precise as possible. One thing I will say is like keep it, like push it down as soon as you can so that it can stay like close to your lash line. Just because literally as soon as you place it, like look, it's already stuck basically. Yeah, that's basically the second lash. Okay, so as you can see, I have both lashes on, and yeah, like you can see, like this liner is like way thicker than this one, and that's just because I feel like this wand isn't very, like, I don't know how to say it, like it's not precise, you know, it's very thick, so it's hard to be precise, and even the tip is very thick. So that's one downside that I don't really like. I wish that like it would all be really like thin, so it's like easier to put small layers, because you see over here, like because it's so thick, it made like a bigger line than I wanted it to, and I don't want the eyeliner to be this thick. So that's one thing that I really don't like, but you know, I can always try and fix it, which is what I'm going to try doing right now actually. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I mentioned, they actually do work surprisingly. Like the magnets actually like really work with the eyeliner. As soon as you put the eyeliner, it's like it like attracts it. So that was really interesting. The only thing that I will say, I feel like these aren't very beginner friendly. So if you're a beginner, I would say like try, you know, normal lashes first, because these are kind of harder to put on. Even like I wear lashes more often now, but even I kind of struggle to put them on like properly, just because once the magnets like attract them, it's like hard to like move it. So that's the only thing I would say. But other than that, this is a really nice concept, and yeah, I think I'm going to be trying these lashes out more just to like see the difference, because I feel like they're very everyday, they're very good, and yeah, they're just good lashes for everyday wear, you know. They're not too long and they're not too thick, so I feel like they look really nice on anyone's eye. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, if you want to see more videos, or if you want to see me testing out more products, definitely leave a comment down below and let me know what products you would like me to test out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. She be mine, mine on love. She did on love. She be mine, mine on love.